Well, go on, everybody. Welcome back to TG Inside Jamaica TV, where we celebrate the beauty, culture, and lifestyle of Jamaica. Now, we all know that life has its challenges, no matter where you live, and Jamaica is no different. But today, I'm here to tell you why, despite everything, Jamaica is still one of the most wonderful places to call home. Stick around, let's dive in. First things first, Jamaica is paradise on earth. Whether you're waking up to a sunrise over the Blue Mountain, cooling off under a stunning waterfall, or just relaxing on a white sandy beach, this island is pure magic. And let's not forget the tropical climate. Warm sunshine all year round. No need for winter coats. Just grab a t-shirt, pure good vibes, and fresh island breeze. But what really makes Jamaica special? Of course, the people. Jamaicans are known for their warmth, resilience, and irresistible vibes. No matter what struggles come our way, we always find a way to laugh, dance, and support each other. Our culture, rooted in music, art, and storytelling, keeps our spirits alive and our communities strong. Now let's talk about one of Jamaica's greatest gifts to the world, which is of course our food. From the smoky flavors of the spicy jerk chicken to the deliciousness of ackee and saltfish, our cuisine is a big part of why life here is so enjoyable. And don't forget the plenty fresh fruits, mangoes, guineas, June plums and the likes, straight from the tree. Eating in Jamaica isn't just about the food, it's a whole experience. A big factor on what makes Jamaica feel like home is our strong sense of community. Whether you live in a city or a small rural town, neighbors look out for one another. Family is everything, and that's why no matter where Jamaicans travel in the world, they always bring that love and connection with them. But let's keep it real. Jamaica has challenges like any other country. There is crime and violence, economic struggles, and other social issues. But guess what? We Jamaicans are very resilient. People work hard every day to build businesses, educate themselves, and create a better future for themselves and their family. Positive changes are definitely happening. And the best way to make a difference is if we keep investing in our country and our people. So the question was, is Jamaica still a wonderful place to live? And we say, absolutely yes. The beauty, the culture, the people. This is why we say there's truly no place like home. Yeah man, no one better than you. So if you love Jamaica as much as we do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. And of course, drop your comment down below what you love most about Jamaica. Until next time, one love.